Great to use as a cleaning caddy. I have lots of colored microfiber cloths hanging outside of this, both wet and dry, and bottles etc. in middle section. Also, inside I added a clear middle section caddy too. Just the job. Happy cleaning or me. Would like it to have been white to lighter colored inside to see contents better, but not a big deal. This is the perfect garden bag. Fits quite a bit in the middle. Perfect to have everything in one place. No more going back and forth to the shed. Very pleased with this as it was exactly what I was after. I was looking for something to leave in the boot of my car for trips to a natural burial ground, but it was surprisingly difficult to find something suitable on the market. Not too big and bulky, but a decent bit of space inside for things like gloves, a towel, hand shears etc., then pockets around the outside for tools. The quality seems decent enough too. A useful addition to the shed, where it keeps everything together and allows all the small tools etc. to be taken to a job in one go. My only criticism is that it's not rigid and so things can fall out when it goes floppy, but I'll get used to it. Quality garden tools bag at good price. This garden bag was perfect, all my gardening tools went in and there was room for more. Even my kneeling pad fitted in the main compartment. Liked the deep pockets on the outside which house the bigger items. Would recommend this garden bag. Use this to store hand tools and equipment for domestic gardening works. I can place most of my hand tools in the pouches and I like the decent size space within the center for seeds, string etc. Great product. Even with all my stuff stashed away it's light, so easy to locate everything. Delighted with it. Good quality, heavy-duty bag that is ideal to keep your garden hand tools organized. Click link in description for more reviews.